Palakpakan na to, ladies and gentlemen, our first birthday celebrator, Angelique wearing the emerald green. And make some wave, Angelique. Make some wave to your guests and visitors. Make some wave. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, so